And then you can also place 2 to 3 drops of the AromaTouch oil in bath water with Epsom salt. And hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of doTERRA's AromaTouch Massage Blend. The AromaTouch is doTERRA's proprietary massage blend and combines the unique benefits of oils known to provide relaxing and comforting effects. AromaTouch combines the essential oils of cypress, peppermint, marjoram, basil, grapefruit, and lavender essential oils in a perfect blend that adds many important benefits to various massage techniques. This popular blend is a vital part of doTERRA's AromaTouch technique, which is a proprietary method for applying essential oils to produce a profound whole-body wellness experience. And if you haven't experienced that, I highly recommend it. The top 2 ways to use doTERRA's AromaTouch oil blend are aromatic, so breathing it in. You can also apply it topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. And then the main benefits of this AromaTouch blend are that it releases tension from your shoulders, neck, and back. It also enhances blood flow and promotes feelings of relaxation. The directions for use are applying 1 to 2 drops of this AromaTouch oil with a fractionated coconut oil and massaging it into your tired muscles and joints. And then I like to use doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil right here. So this is a carrier oil, non-greasy, no smell, and allows the essential oil to absorb better into your skin. It reduces the chance of irritation from the essential oil, and it also helps the essential oil to cover larger surface areas of your body. And so this is a perfect topical application to use first, and then the essential oil. And then you can also place 2 to 3 drops of the AromaTouch oil in bath water with Epsom salt and enjoy the calming properties of this blend. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.